Hey guys, Randy from BellissiMoto here with my 2004 Ducati 998 Matrix Edition. Now, Ducati only made about 100 to 140 or so of these motorcycles. The exact count isn't quite known, at least not by me or the internet. Ducati hasn't shared that information with any of us, at least not as far as I can tell. Anyhow, mine's very, very custom, and I've personally numbered it, as you can see there, right there. Check it out. Do you ride it? Yeah, 10,617 miles as of right now. I expect another 20 or 30 going on there this evening. I love this bike. It is a fantastic rider, and yes, I said rider. I mean, stupidly collectible? Yes. Crazy sexy? Yes. Amazing to look at? I park it inside my house. I mean, like, come on, guys. It's gorgeous. It is a work of art. And this, as I've said before, I'll say it again, I fully believe it to be the world's best Matrix Edition. I have never seen anyone do anything like this. I mean, there's a few very, very nicely built, well put together 916s, 998s, 996s out there. And I think this would be up there, you know, in the top 10 of the bunch in the world. For the Matrix Editions, you're looking at number 1. Anyhow, let's fire it up. I'm about to take this bike out for a ride, so hey, check it out. Turn the key. Got the Samco hoses keychain because we got Samco hoses on the bike. Go ahead and flick that switch. Fires right up. Didn't even have to use the choke. Look at that. Idles perfectly. Now you are listening to a pair of Leo Vince exhaust pipes. Now that is a Leo Vince full exhaust. I had it custom polished by our local Las Vegas polishing company. I think it's Flawless Shine Las Vegas. Very nice guys. They do great work. Call them up anytime if you're in Vegas and you want something, you know, polished up. Anyhow, sounds great. Look at that clutch spin. We're going to go ahead and rev her up just a little bit. And by the way, check out that seat. I love that seat. Now this is, again, the Matrix Edition, the Matrix Reloaded bike. And I had a custom Matrix Rain seat cover, custom embroidered by our friends at LUIMOTO. Yeah, super cool. Look, CNC Racing quick release gas cap, CNC Racing triple clamps, clip-ons, Matrix World Superbike forks, Matrix fully adjustable Superbike shock. That's an EVR carbon fiber airbox, KBIKE slipper clutch, STM clutch cover, Gilles rear sets, so much good stuff. BST, Brembo HP, titanium from AEM Factory. Yeah, there's a Matrix shock for you. I mean, this bike, custom powder coat, custom fender illuminator, turn signals, carbon air ducts, carbon air runners, magnesium headlight bucket, upgraded calipers, rotors, titanium everywhere. Guys, 998s don't get any better than this, and this one just rides phenomenal. But hey, let's rev her up. Need some gas, not surprised. Woo. That's only a couple thousand RPM, but you know, I wanted to face the camera this way, not cover the mic, and there we go. That's a little better. Such a nice sound, such a classic sound. True Ducati right here. Sounds great on the highway, sounds great on the streets. I'll be honest, I've never tracked a 998. I would, although, you know, I don't want to track this one. This one's just a bit too nice. I track some nice bikes. I even tracked my Desmo Sidisi, but hey, been there, done that. Desmo Sidisi is a lot more of a track machine than my 998 Matrix Edition. This is a gorgeous work of art that just happens to ride phenomenally well with the passenger. So that's why she is outside. You know, this is Las Vegas. I'm waiting for that sun to go down. We're going to go cruise the strip, have a nice dinner. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed this tour. It's amazing how the bike changes so much in color depending on the angle of the sun. Really, really cool. I mean, there's just this beautiful, beautiful shine in the paint. I love it. I love this bike. Those green inked BST carbon fiber wheels. So much good stuff. In fact, before I end this video, we're just going to take the camera around to the other side for just a moment. Why don't you get another peek at the drivetrain down here, because, yeah, look at that. Ultra lightweight, ultra beautiful. AEM quick change setup. Really nice. All right, guys. Randy from BellissiMoto. Out.